Imagine your life depending on a tiny bird. Sounds wild, right? Back in the day, coal mining was incredibly dangerous. Toxic gases like carbon monoxide were a constant threat. Enter the unsung heroes, canaries. These small birds were more sensitive to poisonous gases than humans. If a canary showed signs of distress or, heaven forbid, died, miners knew they had to evacuate immediately. This tiny bird's sacrifice saved countless lives. So the next time you hear canary in a coal mine, remember, it's more than just a saying. It's a story of bravery and survival.